Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your analytics with Google Analytics step by step clearly. Begin by signing into your Google Analytics account. Navigate to the property you want to optimize. Go to the admin panel located at the bottom left of the screen. Under the property column, click on Tracking Info. Next, select Data Streams. Choose the data stream you wish to optimize. Scroll down to find the Enhanced Measurements section. Toggle the switch to enable or disable features like scroll tracking and outbound clicks. To set up goals, return to the admin panel. Under the View column, click on Goals. Click on the plus New Goal button. Select a template or create a custom goal based on your needs. Fill in the required fields, such as goal name and type. Set the destination, duration, or event conditions, depending on the goal type. Once complete, save your goal settings. Next, utilize the real-time report to monitor user activity. Go to the Reports section in the left sidebar. Select Real-Time to see current visitor statistics. Analyze user behavior by navigating to Behavior in the left sidebar. Look for events to see interaction metrics. Use that acquisition report to understand where your traffic is coming from. Check that account overview to view overall performance. In the Audience section, assess demographics, interests, and technology used by visitors. Consider implementing custom segments to refine your data analysis. Go to the Audience tab, then click on Add Segment. Create segments based on user characteristics or behavior patterns. Save your segments for future analysis. Ensure you regularly review your analytics data to make informed decisions. Continuously adjust your strategy based on insights and performance trends. Set reminders to revisit your analytics every month for ongoing optimization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.